How to fix Skype cannot send file issue. First things first, you have to understand that the Skype has been officially discontinued and now it has been fully integrated into the Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue, you simply have to first of all check the size of your file. Make sure that your file is under 300 MB. Now, also, if there is large video or document, compress it into zip file or use a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive and share the link via Skype chat instead. You can also grant the storage or photos and videos permission. You simply have to launch your device's app drawer, locate the Teams application icon, long press it, tap on this eye option and scroll down to the permissions option. From here, scroll down until you find this not allowed section. If you find photos and videos, files and media option over here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on them, then set it to allow only while using the application. Now it should be available or now it will be pushed to the allowed section, and now you simply have to go ahead and relaunch the application and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.